Good morning to each and everyone. Welcome you to Rajouri Garden, Modi Care Training Center. One of the gentlemen is there just standing before me. Besides that, one newcomer perhaps. Am I correct? Without sure. Cheo. Actually waiting for the very person arriving and just occupying it, you can see. Time is really supposed to be up, but people do not actually come on time, you can see. Or maybe a little bit late is there. And this is the area where you can say about that things are just available to get it to be really supposed to be purchased. Not to speak of that, this is actually is available on the part of the person who is the member. And you can say about that consultant or maybe the person is just a full-time associated and part-time associated. They come by and they get the rebate of 5% to 30%. Just above you get what? This is the alternative of Harpic, you can say. And this is really supposed to be just floor cleaner. And it is multi-purpose like that. There is just fine shelf. And nearly everything is there, is not so. And better the person should come and just actually take their opinion and take their choice and accordingly do the thing. Here it is honey available. There I can say about that this is coffee, and this is amla candy, you can say, and this is kahwa, and here tea, and this is also tea particularly with leaf, you can see. This is the candy for the sake of children or maybe grown up. It is you can say coconut oil, you know. Here this is the very thing that is meant for the very person suffering from diabetics, you can see. And this is bell fiber, and here you find well noni, and there well amla juice, well aloe vera. And here different devices, different just pills for different type of requirement like that. Here it is pickle. Besides that, spices, you can say. And just below you find the same thing, you can say. This is rice bran oil, and here it is cow ghee. And when you come to this area, you find it is incense stick, or you can say agarbatti, or different type of things actually used for the sake of cosmetics that is available there. And here you find oil, and it is hand wash. It is you can say it about that toothpaste besides toothbrush. It is Noni Gold. And not to speak of that, here you find the things available. These particular things are actually made for the very prices. What purpose I don't know, because of the reason I am no, you can see. These are the devices for the sake of just, you can say it about that demo, or call it demo counter is here. Here it is the showcase where things are just made available at a glance. Person can see it's just created here. This is the kit actually for the sake of demo, you can see here one line is there, one display is there where every time person actually stand and maybe some leader of repute and speak something. This is the area that is actually supposed to be made for the very sake basically of daily use, you can see here. This is the department of cosmetics, you know, or the area of cosmetics. And here this much of thing can be just actually just hat like that. And here Azadi, our product is Azadi. We are a single product company. And these are the magazines or the resources in print available for the sake of the person who needs it here. Two of the gentlemen seen on the counter with a view to just make the cash or make the receipt to be made like that. One young lady, the India of tomorrow, not India of today in general. And this man all the time seen busy with walk like that. This is what is Modi Care, you know. And this particular area is nothing but the chamber for the sake of the export, actually sitting together with a view to give training like that. My friend, Mr. Amarnath Shah here standing. What about your opinion? The time you just spent there over here. What did you get? Yes, the time you simply came here spent it here, met with many persons, listened to the leaders. What about your opinion? What did you find here?
Here is the platform learning.
Yeah.
Learning is performed or done to the experts. है ना?
Learning in what way? Is it money making or is it something else like that? Is it giving you some of the very dream with a view to just exploit it over like that?
How to do the business.
How to do the business.
How to progress.
Or don't you know how to sell the thing?
The
Everybody is doing the same thing. Neta is selling what? Ration. Teacher is selling ration. Not education. And Baniya is ration. Everybody is doing the same thing. It's not here. IAS administration. Yeah. This is how life goes. Or we cannot say it about that. Sell is not main. If you know how to sell, certainly you will be successful in the life. This is what is the life that is really supposed to be just required in almost all the field like that. This table is the symbol particularly for the sake of demo to be just displayed on the part of the very expert that is likely to make comment. Mr. Singh is arriving and I simply just welcome him. He is really supposed to be what? A kind of magnet attracting the people with the very smile that he has got like that. Today it seems to be say he will be just handling the demo perhaps, or maybe some lecture will be just given on the part of this man. You young boy, young girl, how do you find that over here? कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ आने के बाद? अच्छा लग रहा है. Can you tell me one thing? What about your vision about India after 10 years? 10 साल के बाद भारत को कैसा देखना चाहती हो? हाँ, टीवी में देखता रोज लड़ाई होता है, रोज ये घटना वो घटना वो घटना वो घटना. क्या किसी दिन ऐसा लगता है कोई अच्छा न्यूज़ मिलता है? क्या वैसा ही भारत देखना चाहती हो या कुछ और देखना चाहती हो? You don't know, but you can imagine. अब जैसे हमारी बात सुन लो. हमारा एक सपना है, हर हाथ को काम हो, चेहरे पे मुस्कान हो, पॉकेट में दाम हो, खरीद कर खाने का स्वाभिमान हो, संविधान का ज्ञान हो, हंसता खेलता मुस्काता फूलता फलता हिंदुस्तान. ये मैंने कहीं से उठाया ना, मैं लिखता भी हूँ, ठीक ना. और मैं जिस इलाके में दिल्ली में रहता हूँ एकदम गंदा है, और वहाँ मैं बोलता हूँ उत्तम नगर इज गंदा नगर. तो वहाँ भी हमने एक टैगलाइन बनाया है, चल उठ जागरे जन हो मुखर बना सुंदर उत्तम नगर. जहाँ भी कूड़ा देखते हो उसको वीडियो बनाओ, अपलोड करो, इतना अपलोड करो कि MCD का माथा खराब हो जाए और तुम्हारा एरिया साफ हो जाए. गुड मॉर्निंग जी. गुड मॉर्निंग. के मॉर्निंग. एंड हियर द पर्सन आई थिंक टॉप just at apex, showing the dream, especially to the very women belonging to the home. You can see here, they are getting financial freedom. You can see here. This is what is there. Person coming, time is there, just slowly and slowly approaching towards the very loft, and the time, the session is to begin with. You can see here. Session is to begin with. This much. Thank you very much.